The BOSCH GAS18V-3N is an impressive wet-dry vacuum cleaner that offers versatility and powerful performance. With its 18-volt battery power, this bare tool is ready to tackle any cleaning task, whether it's a quick spill or a deep clean. The 2.6-gallon capacity ensures you can tackle larger jobs without frequent emptying. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its HEPA filter. HEPA, or high-efficiency particulate air, filters are known for their ability to trap tiny particles, making them ideal for those with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. This filter effectively captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring the air expelled is cleaner and healthier. The vacuum's design is ergonomic and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and carry around. The bare tool option allows for customization, as you can choose the attachments and accessories that best suit your needs. In terms of performance, the BOSCH GAS18V-3N excels. It provides strong suction, making light work of dry debris and effectively handling wet messes too. The vacuum's versatility extends to its ability to switch between different power modes, allowing you to conserve battery life when tackling lighter tasks. Maintenance is straightforward, with easy access to the filter and a simple process for emptying the dustbin. The vacuum also comes with a range of useful accessories, including a crevice tool, upholstery nozzle, and extension tubes, ensuring you're equipped for various cleaning scenarios. Overall, the BOSCH GAS18V-3N is a top-notch wet-dry vacuum cleaner that offers exceptional performance, versatility, and health-conscious features. It's a great choice for those seeking a powerful and reliable cleaning tool.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.